Okay, hello, this is the 142014 DSE review. And then, so for the first question, which is talking about the dendritic pattern of the uh, drainage pattern of the O4H1, okay? And then it should be here, and then, yeah. Oops, sorry. And then it should be O4 and then H1. Let me take a photo. H1 and then O4. Where's O4? Hello. Okay, right here it is O4. Okay, and you can see this one. I've said that before. If it's a main river, then this one can be regarded as a dendritic pattern. You can see there's a lot of chicken foot like pattern. Okay, but how about this one? Okay, this one is having a tall hill, and then there is several river going out from the peak. Okay, so this one should be radial instead of dendritic, because you always put me on table and say, oh, I say dendritic then dendritic, but you have to prove it sensationally. Okay, really checking out the map, and if you see a tall mountain, then I think it should be the radial pattern instead of the dendritic pattern. Okay, and which of the following cannot be found in the 91H5? Let's see, 91H5. 91H5. And then again, right here, line 1. Where's line 1? Right here, because it's a bit complicated, because right here it is the intersection. Okay, and then line 1 is here, and then H5, isn't it? Line 1 H5. Okay, line 1 H5. H5 should be here. Then what can you see? Can you see a clinic? I don't think so. Okay, because you can see I really cannot find a clinic in this square. Okay, in this square I really cannot find a clinic. Okay, then the answer should be clinic. Okay, because you can find the police station and also the sorry, I have made another square in it. It should be this one. Wait a minute. It should be this one. Okay, let me take this out, and then yeah, can you see? You cannot see any kinds of clinic right here. Okay, but you can find out the church, the let's see, the church, the police station, as well as the post office. Okay, yeah, post office, found it, and then police station, and then also fire station. But you cannot find any kinds of clinic, so it should be A. Okay, it should be A. And then number 3, the area of the Tin Shui Wai Park, which is talking about here, and then right now let's see whether I have the ruler or not. See, but I really don't have the ruler. But if you calculate it, it should be around yesterday. I still can find the ruler. So that okay, yeah. The ruler cover is still here, but I really cannot find the ruler. So sad. Okay. But if you're going to find this area, while compare with the full square like this, okay, I think it should be around 0.2 and 0.3, isn't it? It's just talking about this area. Okay, this area. Okay, then I think it should be around 0.2, okay, around 0.2 square kilometer, okay, because 1 square equals to 1 square kilometers, and then so we should be 20%. So accordingly, if you are running out of time, you can try this method, but I think you should better have a proper look about this, okay. And then for the here, okay, which is talking about the gradient, and I said before, 1 equals to vertical over horizontal, isn't it? So accordingly, how to calculate the horizontal vertical, we should be 167 minus 30, okay. And then what about horizontal? The horizontal I have measured, which is around 2.5 cm and times 200 m. So accordingly, it should be 500 over 137 for here. Okay, so what should be the answer? If you can calculate, it should be 3.6 for here. Okay, then it should be C. Okay, yeah. The footpath is quite easy to calculate, and then also right here, be careful about the height of the cultivated land, which should be 13 m. Okay, and then how about like may suffer from the odor of landfill, which is talking about the smell from the landfill from O2H2, which is here, and then where is Habalai? Right here. So what kind of wind will if what kind of wind will blow, then they will suffer. Okay, it should be this way, right? It should be this way, right? So accordingly, what is this kind of wind? Don't tell me it's north wind, okay? The multiple choice always love to ask this conceptual misconception, okay. If we are going this side, it is not north, okay. It should be south because it's coming from the south, so in this side, what is this? Coming from west, southwest, okay. It should be southwest, okay. It should be southwest, okay. Then it should be C, okay. And then number 6. Which of the following are intervisible of the trigonometric station of 371, which is in the 061 837? Okay, let's change it here again. 061 837. Okay, around here, and then so make it here. Okay, then let's have a look about other choice. Okay, spot height 167 and 188. I can find 188, then 167. Let me find it now. Oh, I found it. And then 303 right here. Okay, I've done the marking, and then yeah, we can get back to the map. Okay, so 303, is it okay? Is it okay? Can you see 303? Is there any obstacle? Is there any obstacle? I don't think so. So it should be number 3 is okay, because this one is number 3, choice number 3. And then how about 188, which should be the choice number 2? It's also okay, because in between from the 375, in between there are no obstacle. Okay, and how about 167? 167 is here, and then also not much obstacle here. So accordingly, all of them can be visible. So the answer should be D. Okay. of them are indivisible, so it should be D. Okay, which of the following about the are the reason of the sparse settlement in grid square line 182? Okay, line 182. Okay, line 182 should be somewhere like here. Oh, sorry, my cam is in other way round, right here. Okay, line 182. Line 1 right here, right in this line 1 and then A2 right here. Y is having very few settlement in this square. Okay, so what can you see? Hilly relief lah, and then how about the accessibility? Not too good and then any more? Hilly relief true lah, low accessibility lah. Is this about lack of water supply? Can you find water supply in here? Indeed, there are some river. Okay, so it should be number 1 and 2 only, C. Okay, number 1 and 2 only, C. Okay, and then let's move to number 8. Okay, yeah, C. Number 1 and 2 only. Which of the following about Hachun of the grid squares 0785 and also 0885 are correct, which is right here. Wait a minute. Which is right here. Okay, what's it talking about? Can you see? Okay, Hachun right here. So what can you see? Long history of development. Can you find some how to say the? Can you find this? What is this meaning? Okay, which is the declared monument, which is talking about a long history statue. Okay, then this one can be regarded as a long history of development, and then nuclear pattern of the settlement. What is nuclear pattern? Which is talking about they are concentrated in different nuclei. Okay, yeah. Is it concentrated in different nuclei for the Hachun? Also correct because they are densely populated in a nucleus form. Okay, so how about number 3? What is number 3? Let me check it out. Okay, large farming area. Can you find a lot of farming area? I just found this, but it's not related to the Hachun. I just found this tiny little farmland, this tiny little farmland, this tiny little farmland. So it's not having a large farming area. So this one is wrong. So accordingly, number A. Okay, then this is the end of the 2014 past paper. Thank you.